morning, everybody. I'm just organising my setup. I hope you're well today, if anybody's there yet. Okay, good morning. As you can probably guess, today we are going to be doing a face massage, particularly concentrating on our ears, our jaws, and our scalp. Just going to wait a few minutes. We've got about 4 minutes till the official start time. So in the meantime, just sit in a comfortable spot. I guess today would be appropriate if you were sitting at a table, and it might be helpful if you have a table you can rest your elbows on. Yeah, because some we're going to need you to apply some pressure. Having the table will allow you to kind of apply the pressure that we're needing. Okay, we're not going to be using any tools today at all, so don't worry about that. You might need a little bit of, if you've got some oil there, but to be honest, working on the face, most of us have got oily enough skin that we don't actually need to. Okay. Okay, we've got about 2 or 3 more minutes. So if you'd just like to take a nice few deep breaths and just take this moment for yourself, just to breathe in through your nose and exhale any tensions you might have, relaxing your shoulders, keeping your back straight. Imagine there's a gold cord coming out from the top of your head, reaching up to the sky, pulling your neck. So really imagining your nose should be facing the screen, in fact, and that would give you a nice straight posture. Imagine drawing your shoulder blades back together and take a nice few deep breaths. Just taking this time for yourself. Forget about anything you've got ahead of you and just have this half an hour just for yourself. Okay. All right, everybody, just going to give it 2 more minutes. I hope everyone's well, had a good week. Wondering if you've done any other of our webinars. If you have, I hope you've enjoyed them. Okay. So let's see. Okay, we'll just give it another couple of minutes. Like I said, just at the moment, while we're waiting, just take a couple of moments for yourself. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling out of your mouth, keeping your jaw nice and relaxed, your shoulders nice and comfortable. Imagine drawing your shoulder blades back together, keeping a nice posture. Okay. Right. Hang on 2 seconds and we will go ahead. Okay. So I'll do one last little screen share. And let's just see. Okay, welcome everybody. My name is Martine, and if you haven't been here before, I welcome you to our webinars, the Disability Foundation's Wellbeing webinars, which we are doing every day now at 12 o'clock. Come October, we will be starting them at 10:30 instead of 12 o'clock. I want everybody to be aware that nobody can see you or hear you. You are only able to see me. I can't see anybody or hear anybody. So you are working at your own pace, in your own comfort zone, should I say. Anything that you find, nothing should really hurt. So any discomforts that you might have, I'd recommend you to stop that. And yeah, any pain, just stop and just wait for the next step. Yeah, just work within your own range of movement. And please remember that the Disability Foundation is a charity, and we heavily rely on donations. So if you enjoy your sessions, we'd really love you to donate. Okay, so today I will be doing facial massage. I'm going to just stop this a moment. Okay, so today I will be doing facial massage with focus to our ears, jaw and scalp. At the end, we will be having a visualization reading, a guided visualization, which will be nice and relaxing. Okay, so let's get going. So first of all, I just want everybody to have nice relaxed shoulders. Make sure you're sitting at a table, preferably with, so you can rest your arms. We're going to be doing a little bit of pressure work. So it's good if you've got the table, you can kind of sink into pressure points and you can drag and drop and do different things, okay? So like I said, just imagine that your shoulder blades are trying to kiss each other. So what you want to do is really kind of draw them back together, kind of back and down, okay? You just imagine there's like a gold cord coming out from the center of your head up to the sky, and it's just keeping your neck nice and straight, so it's giving you a really good posture. I always say to people, just imagine just tucking your chin in slightly, and just you want your nose facing the screen. So everything what I don't want is that you're sitting there like that, okay? So just be aware of that posture all the time. Let's just do a little few shoulder shrugs. Back and forward, and you can bring both shoulders up and then just drop them down and let them go. Bring them up, hold it for a second and drop down. Lovely. Just bring your left ear to your left shoulder, just to open up the neck area on the opposite side, and just hold it there for a second. Bringing your head back into the center, dropping down to the right side, right ear to right shoulder. Okay, lovely. And then bring it back. And then just drop that chin down so you feel a nice pull along the back of your neck. And let's hold that. And then we'll just do the same, bring it to the center and then look back. Wonderful. Okay, so let's get going with this face massage. So what I'd like you all to do is start by warming your hands up to just generate a little bit of heat. Okay, back and forward. Okay, now then I just want you to place them over your ears and just hold that for a moment. Taking a nice few deep breaths in. Okay, so we're going to start with our ears. And what I want you to do is just take your fingers and start from the top, okay? And just make them small circles, working all the way along the outside of your ear. Okay? Lovely. Now you might find there's parts that feel a little bit nicer. So you can just hang out on those bits if you like it. Okay, and then let's just work our way back up around the ear. So just small circles all the way to the top. Okay, then we're just going to go into the, just slightly inside the ear, okay, and just take it a little bit further. So you're just going to get the flat part here, and then give that with both on both sides, okay. So really just nice and slowly, really just getting everything moving there. So this is really great for headaches, tinnitus, any kind of clenched teeth problem, people with TMJ, sometimes ringing in the ears. It's great for mood uplifting, and also for stress and anxiety. Okay, now we're going to go to the center, just here, and again, you're not going to probably be able to grab that much, but really just get right in there, okay, with both sides, in the inside of the ear. You'll be amazing how good that feels. It's not a part that generally most people think about massaging. Okay, lovely. Great. Okay, so now what I'm going to ask you to do is get your fingers in a V shape like that. Now you can either do it 2 fingers, 2 and 2, or you could do it 3 fingers and 1 finger, whatever you find easier. I prefer doing this way. And all I want you to do is just on either side of your ear, if you can see what I'm doing with that V, just going up and then really going up as high as you can and pulling down towards the jaw and up and down and up and down. Okay, that's good. One more time. Just pushing it up. You can try and get right behind that ear and then just pull it down. Okay, lovely. So then I'd just like you to, if you put your fingers and open your jaw, you can actually feel the joint. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is just with two fingers, just in that area, which is where we all can really hold a lot of tension, we're just going to work our way down towards the chin. Okay, it's just small circles. You could use 3 fingers if you like. The way to know that your jaw's really relaxed, you want your teeth to be slightly open and your tongue should be just gently sitting behind your teeth. So if we just sit and just relax our jaw, okay, and then we're going to start massaging again, start in that joint area and just making nice circles all the way down. Lovely. Okay, now we're going to go, we've got our chin here. If you go move back a little bit, find a nice soft area. Okay, I'm going to just go in there now. I find it comfortable using my thumbs, and you're just going to do again small circles underneath, going back along the jaw. You'll be able to feel the bone. You want to kind of sink in, under and in. And again, you can drag and drop with your thumbs, or you can make small circular movements. And you might find there's going to be a little sensitive spot there. Just stay away from it. Okay. And also what I'd like you to do now from this chin area is really just pull up along the jawline, going right into this area up here, just by your earlobe. So both sides. Okay, and let's do that one more time. Again, getting both fingers like so along the jaw and just pushing up towards those earlobes, working all along that jawline. Wonderful. Now, what we can do as well, if you rest your arms on the table, again, trying to just lift up this whole area and really free it up and create more space in there, okay? So you're gonna lean, let me just do this, you're gonna lean onto the table and then just apply the pressure, sink your 4 fingers along the jawline, sink in and just go in an upward motion all the way up. Make lovely pretty faces like I do. Okay, so yeah, so just imagine you're sinking in. If you don't have a table, just sink in, have your elbows by your sides and then drop your head down. Go all the way up towards your temples. That's great. And let's do that one more time. Let those fingers sink in along the jawline. And just sink in really gently. That's wonderful. Okay. So now I'd like us to go into our cheekbones area. Okay. Now you'll all feel a little dip. If you come out from the nose here, the sides of our nose, you're going to feel a nice dip. I just want you to kind of hang out in that area. You can find some tender spots here, some tender points. So just palpate around the area yourself. And if you find any little sore spots, just want you just to hang out there and let it release. Really taking away any tightness around this jaw area. So all around here, people tend to grind their teeth at night. This can be really, really relieving. Okay, let's just go in and under. So just kind of push in and under your cheekbone where you feel a hollow. Okay, just hold up and sink in. Okay, just kind of work along it. And then from there, what I want you to do is, again, from our cheekbone area, just drag it down, down, make lovely faces. Don't worry, nobody can see you, but you can all have a laugh at me. Okay, so you're gonna really sink in and you just want to open up this area and really stimulate this whole area around here, which loads of us hold lots and lots of tension. So really, just like I said, find the hollows of your cheek, sink your fingers in, and let everything just become floppy. Let's go a little bit further back. Just close your eyes while you're doing this. Really feel those muscles melt away underneath those fingertips. That's wonderful. Okay, so now we're going to come up towards our eyebrows. And I just want you to start by really taking, you can do this really firmly, okay? The firmer you do it, I personally think the better it feels. Again, we hold lots of tension up and around here. So I want you to really start from the center, really pull it away from the forehead. Just pull and squeeze. Pull and squeeze. And pull. Just work your way along. You'll see the skin gets a little bit thinner as we come towards the temples. So just start becoming a little bit more gentle. And let's go over that again. So really take that eyebrow and give it a good old squeeze. Lovely. You could even give it a little rub like that to try and release it. And let's do that one more time. Okay, from the center. Squeeze and pull. Squeeze and pull. Squeeze and pull. And then let's just give this let's give our foreheads a lovely massage. Okay, so really just trying to get that skin moving. Okay, you can use all 4 fingers here, working your way into your temples. So this is really good at helping to promote healthy skin while relaxing our facial muscles at the same time. That's it. Now just go into the hairline a little bit. Close your eyes. Promotes really good blood circulation. Can help reduce puffiness. So get into that hairline, lifting and making lovely circles. You can start going into the scalp if you like. You can start using your thumbs as you're working your way in. They even say that this can help reduce fine lines by helping increasing your collagen, promoting collagen basically. So there is lots of benefits for massaging the face. I think, did I say sinus problems? Okay, now just keep working your way up. There's a lovely muscle just along this side here. Okay, which we can really, this one, what I would suggest is, again, get your fingers and really slowly sink in and work your way towards the center of your head. Okay, let's do it again. We're just going to go in with all fingers, slowly sinking in and dragging the skin, the muscle towards the center of your head. We can do it starting from the bottom of our neck. Again, sinking in and pushing up. And again, starting from there, sinking the fingers in and pushing up. And then you can do some nice circular movements in this way. You could actually start using the flats of your hands, the palms of your hands, just kind of gives it a different feel. Again, just really trying to really lift. And what you can do as well, which is quite nice, if you just interlace your fingers and then from behind just really pull that scalp up. So you're pulling from the bottom of your scalp where the ridge is, just interlacing those fingers, giving it a nice pull. You can even just drop your elbows like so and pull down and lift. And while you're doing that, I'd suggest to get those palms, back of your hands here, this area. And again, really try and massage into your scalp. Really getting that blood circulating. Think of just it helping to relax everything. Okay, if we go back to our forehead, what I'd like you to do now is just get 4 fingers to the center of your forehead and very slowly just get rid of those lines. How do they say it? Turn that frown upside down. Okay, that's it. Just really let those fingers sink in. We can, again, we can come upwards and just smooth out the lines this way. We can just take our hand up, all the way up. And again, starting from the jaw, all the way up. And we can even get into our neck a little bit here. So just getting the sides of your necks, just below your mastoid process, which is this prominence just behind your ear. We can just do nice circles into the back of the neck. I'd say go with the circles, but going in a nice upward motion towards the ridge of your scalp, the occiput, which is the ridge along the back of your neck where the soft part meets the hard part. Okay, so just gonna, again, you could now sink your fingers in, massage small circles with all 4 fingers. Okay. Okay, now, the last thing I'd like us to do, I'm going to have to take my hair down for this. There's something that we can do called hair pulling, which can feel fantastic. So some people like it, some people don't. But yeah, it's really easy, depending on how much hair, obviously, that we all have. Everyone's going to have different. And if you don't have any hair, then I would just carry on with doing a scalp massage. Okay, so we're just going to start. What I would say is just to take sections of your hair with both hands. Take sections and really kind of pull all over. You're just going to work around your whole head. Again, imagine if you've got really, really short hair, you just take that part and give it a pull. You could then actually get all your fingers into your hair and give it a good pull in all different directions. Okay, so you're going to pull it up, pull to the left, to the right. This is really good for stimulating hair growth. Okay, so you just work on lifting and pulling in all different directions. Like I said, you can do it in lumps. Nothing should hurt too much, okay? And you could carry on doing that on your own in your own time for as long as you fancy. Okay, and then remember, you can always just go with the fingers in and then just giving the whole lot a really good pull. And then we can just to stimulate all those nerve endings, you can just kind of just tap. You can tap with little raindrops. Little raindrops, pitter patter. Okay, and then we could do the same just to finish a nice, gentle movements across our face. Okay, lovely. And you could even finish with a little bit of a pitter patter. You'll definitely walk away with this with a glow on your face. The last time I did this, actually somebody did say to me, I ran off to work and they said, God, you look like you're glowing. So it really does stimulate everything, and it's also known as a natural facelift sometimes because people come out looking so alert and refreshed. Okay, lovely. So what I would like to do now is we are going to get you all comfortable, sit down and just relax yourselves. If you just hang on one moment, I'm going to amend my music. 2 seconds. Okay. So now we are going to do a guided visualization. Okay. And I just want everyone just to get comfortable, sit in a nice supportive chair or lie down depending where you are. Again, have your feet, if you're sitting down, your feet kind of firmly planted on the floor. Take a nice few deep breaths and relax your body by releasing any areas of tension that you might find at the moment. Okay. Take nice deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. And just at your own breathing pace, just take yourself away for the last few moments before you have to go back to whatever it is you might or might not be doing. And I want you now to relax your body and allow your arms to go limp. And then your legs. And I want you to feel your arms and legs becoming loose and relaxed. Now I'd like you to relax your neck and your back by relaxing your spine. Try and release the hold of your spine. And your muscles all the way back from your head down to your neck. And working along each vertebrae to the tip of your spine. Feel everything becoming loose. I'd like you to breathe deeply into your diaphragm drawing air fully into your lungs, and release the air with a whooshing sound. Breathe in again slowly. Pause for a moment and breathe out any tensions. Draw a deep breath in and out. And in and out. Become more and more relaxed with each breath. Feel your body giving up all the tension, becoming relaxed and calm and peaceful. Feel a wave of relaxation from the soles of your feet to your ankles, to your lower legs, your hips, your pelvis, your stomach, your chest, back, your hands, upper arms, your lower arms, your shoulders and neck, the back of your head and your face and the top of your head, all feeling relaxed. Allow your entire body to heavily rest on the surface where you sit or lie. And now that your body is fully relaxed, allow this visualization to begin. Imagine you're walking toward the ocean, walking through a beautiful tropical forest. You can hear the waves up ahead. You can smell the ocean spray. The air is moist and warm, and you feel a pleasant, cool breeze blowing through the trees. You walk along a path, coming closer to the sea. And as you come to the edge of the trees, you see the brilliant aqua color. Just ahead of you, you see the ocean, bright blue. You can hear the waves. You can smell the ocean. You walk out of the forest into a long stretch of white sand. The sand is very soft, powder soft. Imagine taking off your shoes and walking through the hot white sand towards the water. The beach is wide and long. Hear the waves crashing to the shore. Smell the clean salt water and beach. The water, it is a bright blue-green. See the waves washing up onto the sand and receding back towards the ocean, washing up and flowing back. Enjoy the ever-repeating rhythm of the waves. Imagine yourself walking toward the water over the fine, hot sand. You are feeling warm. As you approach the water, you can feel the mist from the ocean on your skin. You walk closer to the waves and feel the sand becoming wet, yet firm. The wave washes over the sand towards you and touches your toes before receding. As you step forward, more waves wash over your feet. Feel the cool water provide relief from the heat. Walk further into the clear, clean water. You walk further, and you can swim if you want to. Enjoy the ocean for just a few minutes. Allow the visualization, relaxation to deepen, more and more relaxed. Enjoy the ocean. Now you are feeling calm and refreshed. You walk back out of the water and you come back onto the beach. You stroll along the beach at the water's edge, free of worries, no stress, calm, peaceful, enjoying this moment to yourself. Up ahead's a lounge chair just for you. You can sit or lie or spread the towel on the sand, and just relax on the chair or the towel, enjoying the sun, the breeze and the waves. You feel peaceful and relaxed. You allow all the stresses to melt away. When you are ready for your return, you want to do so ever so slowly. Bring yourself back to your usual level of alertness and awareness. And keep with you that feeling of calm and relaxation, feeling ready to return to your day ahead. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed that. I will be back next week, same time, same place. Unless next week is the beginning of the month, then it will be 10:30. To double check that, you will get an email confirming that. I hope you have a lovely week. Enjoy the weekend. Getting a bit chillier, so make sure you wrap up warm. It starts getting too cold. And I look forward to seeing you all next week. Okay, and like always, if you can actually bring along to most of my sessions, if you have at hand either a tennis ball and a towel, or a scarf, or a sarong, or leggings, or that kind of something like that would be great. I never really know exactly what I'm doing, so that's why if you can just bring them along, and then you'll have it there if we need it for our session. Okay, thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great week. Lots of love. Bye for now.